In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Weebly password. Whether you're doing this for security reasons or simply want to switch things up, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. It's a straightforward process and we'll get it done in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by visiting Weebly's website. Open your preferred web browser and go to www.weebly.com. Once the page loads, you'll see a button located at the top right corner of the screen labeled Login. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking Login, you'll be presented with a few options for signing into your account. Among these, you'll see Log in with Square. Weebly is integrated with Square, so if you've been using Square to manage your online business, you'll want to use this option. Click on Login with Square and sign in using your credentials. Upon logging in, you will be directed to your Weebly dashboard. Here, you want to look for the Overview button in your dashboard. It usually sits towards the left hand side of your screen, and selecting it will lead you to a concise summary of your site's activity. This is great for keeping track of your website performance, but today our focus is on changing that password. Next, in the same left hand menu, you'll find the Account Settings option. As the name suggests, this is where you can tweak various elements of your account, including your password. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page outlining different account management options. Proceed by selecting Manage Account. This button will provide you with more detailed settings and controls over your Weebly account. Here's where you get more directly into the nuts and bolts of your account settings, offering you a comprehensive overview and options for management. Moving forward, you'll see the option to change password. Clicking on this will take you to the screen where you can update your password. Here you'll need to enter your current password followed by the new password you wish to use. Be sure to choose a strong, unique password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure your account remains secure. Once you've entered your new password and confirmed it, save the changes. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your Weebly password. It's always a good practice to regularly update your passwords and make sure they are unique to each account. I recommend jotting down your new password or using a password manager so you don't forget it. I hope you found this guide helpful and your Weebly account is now even more secure. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care.